Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable hide logos of watchlist on TradingView account. So first we're going to open the TradingView app. As I told you, you guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then next we're going to click on menu, which is found at the lower right corner. Then next we're going to click on settings. Then click on watchlist. So as you can see, there's the show symbol logos. So you're going to turn it off. So from now on, they won't show any logos. So this is the way to hide it. Then you guys could go to charts and see the charts to continue with your trading. So that's how you basically do it. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.